This operating system is the industry standard for the FBI and top cybersecurity experts. It's arguably the most powerful operating system in the world, and today I'm going to show you how to install it on your own computer in a couple of minutes. But before we start the installation, we need to be clear about one thing. This is a professional tool used for defense and security testing. Using this for unauthorized hacking is illegal. We are installing this strictly for educational purposes to learn how to secure our own devices. So currently I have 151 GB free here from my main disk. Actually, let me just confirm that it's free. There's just some random stuff. I'm just going to yoink those. And now it's actually free. I'm just going to right click this and delete volume, and now it's unallocated, so the Kali Linux will come into this drive and just eat it up. Next, I actually need to install it now. Kali Linux, download, get Kali. Yes, that's exactly what I want to do. I'm just going to get, I guess, an installer image. Yeah, because that's what I'm trying to do. I'm trying to install it. I just need to install the image and I guess everything. Wait, that's image for air gap networks. Oh no. And just said image this one I need. Install a complete offline installation with customization. Download. So I'm trying to download the ISO file that I can basically put on a USB stick, which then I can boot from and be able to put Kali on my computer. Next, I'm going to download this tool called Rufus, which essentially will help me put the ISO file onto a USB. So I'm just going to download Rufus and then open it, select my USB. I'm going to select the Kali Linux ISO file. Without focusing too much on the other settings, I'm just going to click start. Okay, it's ready. That took about 14 minutes. So now I'm going to close this and then I'm going to restart my computer while smashing the F2 key so that I'm able to go into the BIOS menu. So yeah, let me just continue smashing this. That just sounds weird, but yeah. Boom, and there we go in the BIOS menu. So from here, I just have to move my flash drive up so it becomes the boot priority, so that when the computer boots, it boots from the USB. And I'll just save and exit. Okay. Oh, and there we go, we're the Kali installer. So I'll just ignore these other options and use graphical install so that I'm able to see what I'm doing. Some language stuff. Now it's scanning the installation media or the USB, I guess. To detect network hardware. So I need to connect to my Wi-Fi right now. Now it's connecting to my network. Please enter the host name. What's the host name? BMO. Domain name. BMO name for the new user. Alchemist. And I need to choose a password. Partition disks. Now this is a very technical part. I need to do the manual one. This is my SSD and this is the free space I'd given it. So I'll just select this and I'll just going to automatically partition the free space so that it does everything by itself. And all files in one partition. Just ignore the other options. It's partitioning the disk now. So finish partitioning and write changes. If you continue, the changes listed below will be written to disks. Yep. So select and install software. So I want to skip this step because I saw on Reddit that first you need to install the grub system and then you can install the software, because otherwise it will refuse for some reason. I'm actually just going to try that now. I'm going to choose KDE Plasma because it's the one I kind of know. And then select continue. This works well and good. If it doesn't, I'll have to do the other option. Any second now. Okay, it looks like it worked. Configure SDDM. Light DM. SDDM for sure. Continuing. Finish. Now it's installing the grub bootloader. So this will essentially let me select which OS to get into. Now it's finishing the installation. Finished. Make sure to remove the installation media. I'm going to remove my USB so that you boot into the new system rather than restarting the installation. I can't even speak. So USB out. And here we go. Oh, something's happening. There we go. Kali GNU. Oh, that's the Kali Linux logo, the white dragon. There we go. I'm inside Kali. I'm just going to log in and figure out how to screen record. Then I'll see you guys there. Okay, I think I finally figured it out. My audio is probably very trash, but so please bear with me and I hope everything will be okay. But yeah, here we are. This is Kali Linux. It's really fast, way faster than how I used to operate from the virtual machine. So first things first, I really want to change this wallpaper. I think I can go into the file manager. Is it Super F? Oh yes, that's cool. So now I can actually access my whole drive essentially from here. I can literally find everything here. I think I have a folder called wallpapers somewhere. Let me just look for it. Oh, there we go. Here are some wallpapers. How do I make them the wallpaper now? I don't know how to do this. Here are some applications I can use. Okay, that's not helpful. I'm just going to double click. Okay, here we go. Then right click. There's nothing about a background. That is so weird. Oh, what if I go into the settings? Oh, settings editor, settings manager. Why do I need all those? Display. Maybe that can help. Oh no. Current resolution is this, of
What?
course. Refresh rate, yes, love that. 144 hertz, amazing. Advanced. And nothing about a wallpaper here. Wait, what if I just right click the wallpaper and desktop settings, wallpaper for my desktop? Okay, here are some different ones, but how do I just put the one I want? How do I put my own? Because I mean, these are cool. Oh, purple, very nice. These are cool and all, but I want to put my own. So how do I do that? Stack Overflow says the stock Kali wallpaper images are stored in user share images desktop base. So I'm just going to try and get to this. I don't know if pasting it here can actually help. Oh yeah, it does. That's nice. Okay, so I just have to copy my wallpaper and then paste it here. Hopefully that works. I'm just going to go here, make it smaller. Do a quick little copy paste. Oh, I cannot paste here. That's weird. That is crazy. Open as root. Warning, using the root account, you may harm your system. I plan to. Can I do that? Okay, looks like I can. So what? How about now? If I go to the desktop settings, is it there? It's not. Wow. Oh wait, folder was here the whole time. Oh my gosh, the folder was here the whole time. Let me see if I can find it. Okay, it's not opening that. I guess because the image format is wrong and stuff. Okay, let me try this one then. Oh, let's go. Finally, I have a different wallpaper. Cool, it's really bright. I can barely see, but we'll just rock with it. So I have a couple of things that I want to achieve. Wallpaper was one of them. Oh, now I want to change my mouse icon. There's one I usually use called, oh, I forgot the name. Let me just try and remember. There's like a loading thing above my head right now. It's just spinning as I try to remember the name of the wallpaper thing, of the mouse icon. Oh, I've remembered. It's called Arcdusk. Arcdusk cursor. Oh, I don't know if I'm running GNOME, so hopefully this will work. I actually don't know what I'm running. I think it's just called X Session, because I had a problem where my screen was just black, and currently I'm updating everything. So hopefully I get back to using KDE Plasma, which I was using before, but now this is just updating. It's going to take 52 minutes, so there's no way I'm going to wait for that to happen. But either way, Arcdusk. Yeah, this looks really nice. I'm just going to download that. 3, 2, 1.
Liftoff. Go Falcon, go Starlink.
I don't know why I did that. This edit, it has nothing to do with space, but I just put it so, yeah. Okay, cool. We've downloaded them. So I do not know where to put this. Probably in the same place the desktop stuff was. So user, share. Is it icons? I'm not sure. Icons, yes. I think it should be here. So I'm just going to politely copy this here. I do not have the right permissions to extract archives in the folder. Whoa. Okay, I'll just go back, extract this, extract, show the files, and then I think now I can do that. Yes, let's go. So hopefully, since they're there, I can just find the settings for the mouse cursor. I don't even know what, there's so many settings here. That's the settings editor. That's definitely not what we want. Settings manager, maybe. Let's see. Is there anything about the mouse and touchpad? Cool. Behavior theme. Let's go. Whoa, that was actually easier than I thought. Close. Ah, look at this. This looks so cool. The mouse almost matches the wallpaper. That's pretty nice. Next, change mouse. That's done. I need to find a way to indicate that I've finished. I think I can use an emoji. How do I use emoji? Normally in Windows, I just select Windows V. That is not happening here. Find out how to type an emoji. So that's actually the first thing we're going to do. Ooh, look at the way it's loading. That was cool. Emojis, Kali, Linux. Oh, that's copying and paste. How to get emojis working on Linux? Yes. This is not helpful at all. Oh, a lot of apps are opened. How do you type an emoji? Right click, paste special, paste from his. Oh no, clipboard. Oh wait, yeah, we do have clipboard data. That's cool. How do you type an emoji though? Okay, this guy says if you prefer Flatpak, I've been using Smile, kind of what I want, an emoji picker, so I'll just install that. Is anything happening? No. Okay, let me just download. Oh, okay, cool. It's downloaded. Then run it from your file manager. Okay. How do you run something? How do you run something? Oh my god, I'm supposed to be a Linux connoisseur and I cannot run this file. That is crazy. Oh wait, I can just open a terminal here, then list, and then I think it was /, then the name of the file. Permission denied, sudo /, then the name of the file. Command not found. Okay, horrible fail. Okay, I'm just going to put a pin on the whole emoji stuff. Let's try to take a screenshot. How do you take a screenshot here? Oh, I have no idea. Oh, okay, there's a button called screenshot. Region to capture entire screen. Yeah, but is there a shortcut? Oh, I guess that's the screenshot is taken. That's cool. Pictures, yep, save. That's a really long way to do a screenshot. Is there like a keyboard shortcuts thing? Keyboard application shortcuts. Okay. Is there one for screenshot? There isn't. Can I add one then? I think I can. Enter the command you want to trigger with a shortcut. Screenshot. Okay. Please press a key. I'm going to do Windows S. Okay. Close. So Windows S. Failed to launch Super S. Failed to execute child process screenshot. No such file or directory. Wow, but it's literally right here. Okay, I'm just going to try and find the application then. The command is this. Oh, screen shooter. Wow, here it is. Is there a way to copy this? Yeah, copy location, cancel, go back into keyboards, application shortcut. Wait, was it actually here? Then I just missed it. Nope, there's no screen shooter. I'm going to add, paste. Oh, wait. Insert emoji. That was here the whole time. Wait, what? How? How? That's so weird. Let me just try and find the screenshot. Maybe it's here. I'm not sure if it was here because I forgot to copy the location. So let's look for XFCE screen shooter. Screensaver. Screen shooter. Yes, here we go. Okay, Windows S. I'm going to use that. Close the Windows S. Okay, and it's taken a screenshot. Nice. Oh, the whole saving process is really long, but we got the screenshot. So if I right click, is insert emoji still here? No, it's not. Maybe it's because of the text editor I'm using. Maybe mousepad doesn't allow it, fam. I know there's another one called cherry tree. Maybe that could work. Oh, it looks more colorful. So I will just copy everything from here and then paste it all into the cherry tree. Oh, it doesn't work just like that. I need to add a node. No file, new instance. Is this an instance? Can I type? Cannot type. Heading. Oh, this is it's really hard to use. Oh, wait, export to PDF. I can make PDFs. Oh, I'm going to do that right now. But if I can actually figure out how to type in this thing. How the hell do you type? No node is selected. Okay, let's make a node. I'm going to call it Kali Linux. Oh, okay, now I can type. Nice. Right click, insert is no emoji. That is, oh wait, it's here. Oh, let's see. Nerd. Yes. Boom. Emoji inserted. Screenshot taken. Boom. There we go. Now open a PDF. Oh wait, we also did this too. I'm going to make it easy and copy these. And now open a PDF. So I'm going to select node only. Okay. And I'm going to save it into the document. Save. Is it saved? Oh yeah, I think it is. Cool. Now let's go into document. Oh, and there, ladies and gentlemen, is indeed a PDF. The emojis look very blurred, but we managed to open a PDF. Boom. Now create a Manim animation. Manim is like a animation library. I've used some of them in my videos. So the first thing we need is a text editor. Oh, not a text editor. Visual Studio Code, but just the one I know how to use. Visual Studio Code. Is it pre-installed? Oh, it's not. How am I going to install it? We might have to put a pin in that because this is going to take 23 more minutes. This is way too long for me to wait. Unless I could wait then, try and make the animation then. Hopefully it finishes quick enough. My Wi-Fi is really slow. Fine, I'll wait until I can be able to download VS Code. As you can see, I got a bit distracted. The other desktop manager finally finished updating and I got carried away. Like I customized this thing too much. Like it's crazy. Like there's so much customization going on. You cannot even understand. Like look at this. It's so beautiful. It's so beautiful. Like I'm beyond words. We'll try to stay on task. I will do my best to stay on task. My next goal was to install Manim the animation library, and make a math animation. I already have Python, which I needed. I'm just going to copy this and paste it in the terminal. Okay, good. I already installed Python, and then I've copied this command and pasted it, and everything's installed. So next we can install latex, but this is optional. I'm just going to skip that. Step 3, installing Manim for Linux, Debian based, which I am using. So I'm going to copy this, build essentials, Python 3, libcairo, and Pango, whatever those are. Paste. Boom. Yes. Wow, so many steps, but it looks so good. Okay, that's done. Manim is installed. What else? We need to copy these. So I do not know what this does, but I think it makes, oh, it's a snake. That's pretty cool. Oh yeah, creating virtual environment. That's correct. By the way, if you guys want to know how I did this, like please let me know. I'll be more than happy to share how I did all this. Personally, visually, it looks so good. I really love how everything is looking. Okay, and that's done. Let's install a bunch of stuff. What's next? IDE of your choice. Oh yeah, that reminds me, I need to install Visual Studio Code. Okay, I think I've installed Visual Studio Code. Yes, I have. Nice. Oh, and I need to install one more extension. It's called Manim Side View. Okay, nice. So from here I can open the animations folder I just made. So I'll just call this hello.py.
Hello there.
And there's a code that I had already written that I just want to paste quickly. This one right here. I need to import Manim. So from Manim, import everything. Still nothing. It's just refusing to write the text. What if I comment these out and just play the right? If I do this and then replay it, it should be okay now. Yes, hello there. Nice. Okay, I think we are done with all the objectives. I had quite an experience installing this operating system. To be fair, it was really hard, especially the part where I had to reset the boot manager and it was tough. I can't even begin to get into it. Maybe I'll make a separate video on that. For now, I think it looks really cool. If you guys want me to do anything else with it, please tell me. But now the CTF videos can continue because now the system is really, really powerful. And one more thing also, I forgot.
Hey, you want to see something cool?